Guys, welcome to Unit 2 of Personal Fitness. I'm going to give you a quick overview of the unit today, and I'm going to show you through my resource tree. Yours is, of course, going to look a little bit different because it's going to be through your learning pathway. But I just want to give you an overview of the unit. This Unit 2 Benefits of Exercise page is going to be on your planner. So it's just a quick overview of what's included in the unit. One thing that you may note that is due every single week is 10,000 steps per day, 50,000 per week, and then 4 30-minute workouts recorded on a Google Doc located in your Unit 1 learning pathway. So the 50,000 steps, what we're shooting for is 10,000 steps a day. That's what's recommended for the normal, healthy person, is to have 10,000 steps through the day. If you have 8,000 steps one day, just make sure the next day you get 12,000, so you're averaging that 10,000 steps per day. So I'm going to show you all the rest of the task as we're going through. The other thing that's going to be on your planner is this Unit 2 checklist. And the checklist is just for you to use. It's not necessarily something that you have to turn in or anything. When you click on this link, it's going to ask you or prompt you to make a copy. And that way you can make adjustments to the checklist as you want. As you can see, there's 2 parts of Unit 2, Part 1 and Part 2. Part 1's dates range from August 16th to August 22nd, and Part 2's dates range from August 23rd to August 29th. For Part 1, everything is due on August 22nd except for the discussion post, the initial posting. And the reason we want to do it a little bit earlier is just to drive discussion. And if everyone's not posting till the last day, it's really difficult to drive that discussion. So again, this is just something you can use, and you can say, okay, finish with 3, I'm going to finish the rest tomorrow. And that way it's just something that you can keep up with. Going back to It's Learning, the first part that you'll have is the discussion post, and this is going to be on barriers. In this discussion post, you'll be looking at the potential barriers that would prevent you from reaching your goals in this course. So you're going to discuss those barriers, and as with all of our discussion posts, you're going to have 1 initial post and then 3 responses to classmates. Make sure they're productive responses, not just a, hey, great job. Going on to task 2, you're going to read this article. And then on task 3, you're going to have a slotted notes quiz on that article. With all of your slotted notes quizzes, it's an unlimited amount of times that you can take it. So you want to make sure you can get whatever the grade that is you desire. Hopefully everyone wants 100. So if you make whatever grade the first time, you can retake it again. For all of our slotted notes quiz, it's also to make sure to spell everything correctly, or it will be counted wrong. And then for every week, you're going to have your weekly activity goal. So don't forget to complete 50,000 steps this week and log 4 workouts in your fitness log. Going to Part 2, you're going to have a video to watch. This is on the brain-changing benefits of exercise. And then you're going to have a quiz on that video. Now, unlike the slotted notes quiz, this quiz you can only take once. So make sure that you are really paying attention to it and that you're concentrating on your answers. For both quizzes, the slotted notes and the video quiz, I would pull up my articles, or I would pull up my video and go through the quiz with that, just so that it's pulled up and ready to roll. Task 6 is a weekly exercise movement, and in task 6, this is just a video explaining what the movement is. So this is the squat, and so this lady's going to bring you through some of the things you want to do with a squat. And then your task 7 is going to be actually turning that squat movement study in. So it's going to be a video. One thing I want to reiterate with the video, you want to do 5 squats. You want to have 3 cues. So an example of a cue would be make sure you keep your feet shoulder width apart. And then you also want to have 2 different angles. So you want to have a front angle and a side angle, just so you know you're going to get to depth and stuff. So it just gives us a better view of what you're doing. And the video is going to be uploaded to your Google account, your Google Docs, so that you can just give me the shareable link there. Sorry, I accidentally hit edit here. So that's what you'll be doing is you'll just upload it to your Google Drive. And for week 2, you'll also have that 50,000 steps and 4 logged workouts. Hope this clears up any confusion. Please email your teacher if you have any questions. Hope y'all have a great week.